discovered one of the easiest methods to make money online. Imagine making up to $1,600 every single day without any hassle of selling anything at all, having any prior experience, or dealing with running paid ads. Imagine all you had to do is copy and paste some text. Too good to be true? Well, in today's world of artificial intelligence, it's more than possible. I'll be showing you one of the new way of how hundreds of people are now making money with Google News. Make sure to stay till the end. I'll let you know 2 other websites to double your earnings. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you stay tuned for all the upcoming news drops. Now, with that out of the way, let's get things started. Okay, let's tackle this step by step. To start earning from Google News, there are several key actions you should take. First, go to Google Trends. To get there, just go to Google and type in Google Trends. Usually the top link you encounter is the correct one. Click on it. Once you're on Google Trends, you'll find trending topics that are currently highly popular. Navigate to Trending Now at the top of the page. This section presents a compilation of topics that have captured the interest of numerous. Select a topic that catches your interest and save the significant keywords associated with it. Now, let's head back to Google and type in Google News and hit the search button. The top result will lead you to news.google.com, which is the official Google News website. Simple enough, right? Just click on it and you'll find yourself on the Google News homepage. It's like an online newspaper where you can catch up on news about everything under the sun, global events, local stories, business, tech, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Now you might be wondering, where's the money in this? How is reading the news going to make me money? Well, hold on a moment. Let me break it down. Up at the top of the page, you'll see different news categories like world news and local happenings, business, science. For example, if you're into the latest tech updates, go ahead and click on the tech category. Instantly, you'll find a bunch of information about technology. Same with the fitness category. If, for example, we give that a tap, as you scroll down, you'll see a whole lot of fresh news articles about everything going on in that space. Now, remember the trending topic that you chose earlier on? We're going to try and find an article related to it. What you want to do is enter that in the Google News search box. You'll see news articles related to that topic. Now that we've locked the article we're going to work with, let's gear up for the most exciting part of the process, a special technique to craft unique content. Make sure to follow along as I show you this simple process. So step 1, just like I did, pick and copy the article you found on Google News. Highlight it all, click copy, or simply right-click and choose copy. But wait, we're not in the clear yet. We can't just paste it as is. That might lead us into some copyright issues. So we need to rewrite the whole article. We can use a tool called ChatGPT to help us with that. I've given ChatGPT the command to rewrite the article in a persuasive and exciting way. Let's wait a few seconds for it to finish writing the article. Now, this new article is completely different. You might be wondering about copyright issues, but ChatGPT has rewritten everything for us. This is similar to what happens when you see the same news on different websites like the New York Times or The Verge. They often rewrite articles on the same topic, and that's precisely what we're doing here. Now, why go through this? You might be wondering, if we had simply copied and pasted the original article, we could run into legal issues regarding copyright concerns. With ChatGPT's help, we're sidestepping all that mess and walking away with a shiny new piece of content. Now, let's dive into the real deal, the potential to rake in some serious cash with this article. First things first, copy this new article we made and stash it somewhere safe. We're gearing up to sell it to a couple of websites that will gladly put out some big money for your words. Basically, these sites are ready to hand you $1 for every single word you write down. And believe me, these articles can run into thousands of words. That's the major bank we're talking about. To get paid, you need to send your rewritten article to websites. You can do this by sending them an email or filling out forms on their websites. I prefer emails, but you can use the forms if you like. First website, eatingwell.com. They're a website that focuses on health, nutrition, and fitness. They're prepared to slide $1 for each word you write. You can effortlessly craft original articles using trending topics on Google News and ChatGPT, all while sidestepping any copyright concerns. The best part, no selling, no affiliate marketing, no marketing hoops to jump through, and no need for complicated ads. But wait, there's more. Imagine being able to sell your articles to not just one website, but multiple at a time. One of these sites will pay you up to $2 for each word you panned out, and they're open to a wide range of topics from money, health, fitness, and travel to personal essays, relationships, and beyond. That means even more cash can be flowing your way by using multiple platforms. Remember, Eating Well pays $1 for every word you write. So in theory, if you write an 800-word article, that's 800 in your pocket instantly. And then there's the other website that offers $2 per word. Add it all up, and the 800-word piece will get you $1,600. It's super simple, and you won't need to devote hours on end or pour out any money up front. The best part, you can start cashing in straight away. How to get paid. All right, in this part, I'm going to show you how exactly to get paid with your articles. It's simpler than you might think. So I found 5 magazines that pay at least $1 per word for your articles. As you can see, the first one is our friend, eatingwell.com. Now here's how to proceed. With a bit of research, I found they have only 2 article submission emails functioning. You can copy them. Link in the description. Shoot them an email with the subject line, content submission. In the email, just let them know you've got an article ready to go and you're eager to hear back from them. If they like your pitch, they'll get back to you asking for your payment details. No need to worry. Since it's your original content, there shouldn't be any issues. You can choose your preferred mode of payment, whether it be PayPal, bank transfer, whatever floats your boat. Quite easy, huh? And you can literally start this process while you're watching this video. Just follow along and you'll be creating your own articles in no time. Oh, and don't forget, with Google News, putting out news every few hours, the earning potential is truly limitless. For instance, if you look just into the health niche, you'll find a bunch. You have subcategories with opportunities to cash in. Remember, the more you do this, the bigger your wallet gets. Now, the first website on your radar is Eating Well, but there are other websites offering to pay for your articles. Enter the search bar. RP, you'll find AARP.org. For submitting your pieces to them, just head to their website and follow their submission process. Here's the fun part. They're willing to give out up to $2 for each word. That's more than the other sites we've covered. And guess what? They're open to a wider range of topics from health, fitness, and travel to personal essays and relationships. Next up is the Upwork Writing Jobs Finder. Upwork has over 2,600 blog writing jobs listed, which means you can make money by writing there too. For those who might be doubtful, know that people get paid different amounts for writing. A simple Google search will show you that some get paid from 0.01 to $1 or $2 per word. In California, people can even earn more. This is a legitimate writing job opportunity. Now, what you can do is submit your articles to all these websites. Remember though, you must submit different articles to each site as they won't accept the same content twice. Even if they only accept 1 article per day, you're still looking at the potential to rake in hundreds of dollars daily. Now bonus, naturally, not every single article you submit will get the green light. They might already have something similar on their platform, but that's okay, because the opportunities are truly limitless. You can kickstart this process right now without any cost and get paid straight to your PayPal or bank account. No need to sell a thing or have any fancy background. And here's the bonus I've got in store for you. A website featuring a tool that lets you write articles from scratch. If you're not keen on scouring Google News for articles, this tool can literally help you craft an entire article in less than 3 minutes. This tool is your ticket to efficiency, so hang tight. I'm going to show you how to use it and all this for free right now. So here's the deal. This website features an AI article writer tool, up to 3,000 words, SEO-friendly blog articles. And guess it's all wrapped up in 3 simple steps. This website has a bunch of other cool tools, but for now, let's focus on this AI article writer. To get started, click on AI article writer right here. Then you just need to enter the topic you want your article to be about. Let's say, for me, for example, we're diving into the health niche. Pop over to Google News and find an article that tickles your fancy. I'll pick this one, copy the title like this, then head back to the website and paste it in. After that, click on search keywords and watch as a bunch of related keywords pop up. You can select a couple of these. Just make sure they're closely related to the topic you're crafting your article on. For the sake of time, I won't delve into too much detail in this video, but let me know in the comments if you'd like an in-detail guide on how to proceed. So simply click on Generate Ideas and there you have it. It presented me with 3 potential titles to choose from. I'll pick the first one. Now on to outlines. Click Generate Outlines. Again, it's given me 3 options to choose from. This time, I'll go with the first one. And here's the grand finale. Click Generate Article, and behold, the magic unfold. In less than a minute, you'll have a 1,000-word top-quality article worth a whopping $2,000. It's like having a full-blown team of writers and designers at your disposal, and all for free. This tool is a complete game changer. So what's holding you back? Hundreds of people are making a living this way. Why can't it be you? With a bit of persistence and hard work, this could be your next source of income. I want to congratulate you for staying engaged this far. If you haven't already, consider giving this video a like down below to help with the YouTube algorithm, or subscribe to the channel for more insights on making money online. I'll be back again very soon. Take care.